Hi, this is Roy from NorseFX. This will be my weekly watch lists. To start off this video, I want to recap on last week trades, or last week and the previous week. So the AUD/JPY and the Euro Dollar. Both of those trades are now closed. Starting off with the AUD/JPY, price was coming into a significant area of resistance, as you can see represented by this high right here. Then we had a run on stops right here, and then when price broke down here, that's when the analysis came out. I wanted a touch of 89.42 right here, and I got my touch, and I had some drawdown right here, so a small head and shoulders breakdown and all the way down here. When I saw that price came into this recent support area, printed a bullish hammer, I just manually closed my position and banked 130 pips on this. So combined last week, I totaled almost 350 pips between two pairs, and weeks like that, they don't come around every week, and when they do happen, it's basically everyone is from the high conviction trades. And what do I mean by a high conviction trade? When I'm able to check all of my boxes in my trading strategy and my trading plan, and I get confirmation from the COT data, and I got the best technical setups that I have and that I have tested, that to me, that's a high conviction trade. So, and it paid off. And right now, I'm still heavily bearish on the AUD/JPY, specifically the AUD itself. I want, before I do anything else, I want 87.95, so basically the previous low, to be taken out, and then I will start to re-add and go short once again. So my trend algo, so the trend following EA for MT4, he has one short riding at the moment, and he will be set back to active duty if we break this low. So I have alert set and everything is in place, but I want price to make its move before I do anything. And let's see, the weekly, this was my reason to go short. We had a weekly shooting star, and the weekly closed a bearish engulfed the previous week. Still early, but I think we will get all the way down here. Now let's go to the euro. This is a reversal I have been watching closely for weeks now, even months. And this to me was also a very high conviction trade. You can see my classic, or my favorite pattern of them all up here as well, the turtle soup. And I had a box here on the previous video. I went short on my levels and I wrote it all the way down here. I did not take profit on this double bottom because you don't know if it's a double bottom until it confirms. So I went short and I held it, and I believe I was the top tick of this spike here, but that alone banked me over 200 pips. And right now I'm still very bearish on the euro, but now we are in the NFP week. So right now I want to trade very lightly this week going into the NFP, because if I take a trade or two before the NFP, so let's say tomorrow and Wednesday, and both of them become losers, that will take a tremendous toll on my emotional capital going into the NFP. NFP is an event that I really enjoy to trade because it's very fast and it's very repeatable. So it's a very good setup to trade. And if you're planning on trading the NFP yourself, take a look on my news-driven strategy. That's a complete video with the whole strategy included, free of charge. It's on my YouTube. The link will be in the description. So right now on the euro, I have 117.72 as a line in the sand, but I really need a lot before I take trades on the euro before the NFP. So right now I'm just I'm a spectator right now. I have a setup of gold right now. We have a turtle soup, as you can see right here, and we have 2 hammer candles in a row. And right now I have a long position, and I'm not going for a home run this time. I have my stop down at 1270, and I have a target at the previous high. So I have a 3-to-1 risk versus reward trade based on a turtle soup pattern. So, you know, that's my #1 technical trading setup of them all. And we could see some trade exhaustion right now because gold has had a very nice move down from the highs. I think this is almost $100 move in gold. It's insane. And right now I'm trading a strategy. It's called reversion to the mean, but I'm using the turtle soup and the hammer candles as confirmation, and I'm not playing a big target since we are in an NFP week, and NFP tends to be very sideways going in, or all the week going into the NFP, and then NFP just shoots everything to the moon or down to the abyss. So that's my only active trade at the moment. No, I have a short on Euro JPY too, but that's from my Euro bias. Let's go over to dollar. We have, in the overall grand scheme of things, we are looking at a major turtle soup pattern, and I believe that everyone and their dog is now short on the dollar. And since we have taken out the previous low, but price is unable to go lower, I think a short squeeze is due to happen anytime soon. And I think that the NFP could be the trigger for it. So I'm considering making a secondary video on Thursday or maybe Friday too, just to highlight what I'm watching for the NFP itself. So let me know if that is of interest, or if I see something really exciting, I will do it anyway. So, but that's what I'm watching this week. So I'm very bullish dollar and bearish euro and AUD JPY. But I need that price just shows its hand if it's ready to move higher or lower, and then I will take action. So right now I'm mostly a spectator. I'm long gold and short Euro JPY. So until next time, I wish you good luck and goodbye.